friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another review session. How many times do you click selfies? I guess a lot of times. And also you want to keep them as your profile picture on WhatsApp. So today I'm bringing you a perfect, excellent AI tool which is used to enhance and add that excellent professional touch to your photos. The tool is called AiShot. It's your personal AI photographer, which is available right in your WhatsApp. That's right, you heard it right. That's right in your WhatsApp. It's your AI assistant that takes your regular selfies and turns them into professional headshots. You can just, it's like you send a perfect message or chat to your bot, WhatsApp bot. It's an AI tool, and what it would do is will take your selfie and convert it into a professional looking headshot. Very effective, very excellent utility, simple. You need not to worry about the privacy also because it stays right in your device. It's a paid tool, but you can do give it a try in terms of a free version. Like I said, it's an advanced AI tool which will help you get that professional looking images. You can get your images ready in less than 15 minutes. The training is really quick. The data it trains on your data, that means on your images, so it doesn't take that long, and also it will give you a 99% match to your expectations. I hope you would give it a try, but before that let me show you the capabilities in terms of its website. You can go to aishot.in. That's the website of this particular tool. All you need to do is just chat on your WhatsApp, and then it would take your images and convert it into a professional looking headshots. You can see a lot of use cases they have covered here. Looks nice. The touch, the elegance that it converts is amazing. And like I said, it just takes 15 minutes to train on your data, 10 minutes rather. Like I said, it's a paid version, so make sure that if you are really interested into images, or if you do a lot of work with images or multimedia, make sure you can sign up and take advantage of this tool. Do let me know your thoughts on this tool. Also, if you want to get featured on Arc Tutorials, write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Thank you so much. I'll keep bringing such useful utilities for our community. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.